we changed spot a bit. We were there spending night on the village and came here because you can get the morning sun. You can have the door open, and for breakfast we have coffee, of course, multivitamin drinks, and then I'm gonna chop some kiwi and orange and mandarin to our muesli. And Sarah's beautiful pants and beautiful hair matching like a perfect match. And Dino, joo. Pulla moikka. Cold as shit. I got a prepaid top up for my phone, so it was 10 euros and all of these 40 euros.
If you want to top up your credit, press 2 to act.
I want to have a prepaid even if I want to be offline, because we are going to 3 different countries that we don't know a shit. So we have to do some googling a lot.
Now we are taking a ferry. That bridge over there. We have crossed it, but it was that expensive. So now we are trying to ferry if it's a little cheaper.
Yeah, it's good when we post everything on Instagram and Facebook and our plans and everything, so people know where we are going. And now this one Instagram guy just sent me a message that if we need any tips for the Romania.
And we do.
Yeah, that's true. We have some plans, some sites that we want to see, but not particular. Let's see what life brings us. That's the best part, because we don't know what it brings us.
Yeah. We can see the bridge.
We can see the bridge, we can see the ferry boat.
And the ferry boat.
Thank you. Yes, 11 euros. It's much cheaper. We are leaving Peloponnes behind. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye Peloponnes. Yeah, Peloponnes was quite warm even on the worst winter time, and
so beautiful.
Beautiful. Lots of beach that you can boondock wherever you like, and so highly recommend Peloponnes for wild camping.
Yeah. So beautiful. Voila! First dock in the chapel.
The southern way of installing electricity. I don't think that is rated for the outdoor use. Beach!
Beaches!
Boondocking beach! It could be one of our boondocking places. I know, there's a road just beside.
Yeah.
But usually Greek people doesn't drive after 9 PM, so
it's silent. So
it's silent. In Greece there's lots of Wi-Fi, so you can easily find in any little town a Wi-Fi. So that hasn't been a problem.
Yay, the blue pots.
Blue pots are back. Again. Boondocking place. Now you could park.
One.
Yeah, you could park just beside the beach.
Yeah, with the
Actually
huge
on the
vehicle.
beach. It's hundreds of towns and villages that are named Agios Nikolaos. But how the hell if you try to find from the Google Agios Nikolaos the right one? That's not gonna happen. They always leave the old road just beside. And then there's this. I don't know. The surroundings are beautiful. You cannot guess what we have dinner for tonight. Taco night.
Tortilla.
Yes, minced meat, feta, tomato, cucumber, paprika, sweet pepper, paprika for me,
Mushroom.
onions, salad, cheese, tzatziki,
Surprise.
and soya bites. Morning. Interesting night we had. We were surrounded by a stray dog pack, large stray dog pack, and this is like middle of nowhere, so it was surprising that they came here. Yeah, tried to go pee in the bushes in the night time, but couldn't do it because all of those dogs were just beside our car.
What a nice warm day it is.
Yes. Beach side it is. Yes. Let's go to this large town Ikea.
Ikea.
Almost like Ikea. I think it was Ikea.
It was Ikea.
Ikea, yeah. And then go to Delft and then go boondock.
Yes.
City of Ikea it is. It's Sunday, so every place is closed, but let's see what we find.
Yes.
We found nothing yet, but let's see what we find.
We did find a parking spot.
Little typo in your billboard. That's- Yeah, that's not the first time. There's like official billboards that has lots of typos. There wasn't anything
Yeah.
in this city. Yeah, we walked like half an hour
Yeah.
around the city and everything is closed and
Yeah.
well,
And we don't want to buy any.
so that's it. But yeah, we found the water tap that is good thing. We can
Yeah.
get the water tank full. It's about half now.
Yeah, but we are not making the mistake again. So
Yeah.
always when we find the water, we are going to fill the tank. So
Yeah. So let's go fill that and then go to Delphi.
happiness is a fresh water tank full. What's with the drunken sailor?
Drunken sailor. Yes.
Look how old building. Ah,
Customs. So
custom control. Before the EU era, when the things were great increase. Not. You are parked in the place where you cannot park, but we have adapted the Greek way of living.
Yeah.
In Germany.
if you are wondering those stop signs that we always go through, the stop signs are not stop signs in Greek. They are yielding signs. And no one stops at stop signs. We have been honked like several times when we came to Greek and we stopped the stop signs. So adapt to the local way. We have to adapt again new ways when we go back to Finland. We
Yeah.
stop the stop signs.
Otherwise we get a bunch of fines. We are in the town of Delphi.
Yes, we trying to find some place to be. This is good. Yeah, Delphi. Got car there, and now we took also the dogs with us to walk. Oh, again, everything is closed. Cafes are open. That's
But
it.
the prices are kind of high.
Yeah, €7 for coffee. Yeah, I think these cliffs are the thing in Delphi. Huge, huge cliffs. Yeah, it starts to rain a lot in a moment, so we head back to the car and make some food and then think again what we gonna do tonight. You have something stuck on your head.
Yeah.
We are leaving Delphi and going to Kallio.
Kallio.
Yeah, Kallio is a part of the Helsinki. It's like
There's all the pubs and restaurants and kind of cheap ones and
really nice place. And we are going now.
Kallio.
Kallio.
But this Delphi town was like super nice if you want to come like a 5-star
Yeah.
holiday in the mountains. I think
But yeah, it's raining a lot now, so
super great.
we had like 40 minutes cap that it didn't rain, so we did see the town.
Yeah, and we did see the views, which are amazing, but I bet they are 1,000 times better when the sun is shining.
The price is yeah.
What? 1.420? Almost 1.5.
Hope it doesn't get any smaller from this. We are in Callion. But let's see. Now we have to find boondocking plans. I don't know where. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. That voice is too clipping with this.
Yeah. And muddy. Maybe move on.
Maybe move on. Yeah, we did find finally place to boondock. It's just in the end of this lake. I think we are okay. There was some sign, but I think it's about that lake, that you cannot go to the lake, swim or fish.